In front of me is OUKITEL WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!